Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to achieve this super cute and adorable hairstyle which only takes me less than 10 minutes to do. Just because I always get asked by people whether I do it myself and if it takes me a long time and whether my arms ache from doing it. Honestly, yes, I do it myself, and no, it only takes about 10 minutes max. And no, my arms doesn't feel so like just from tying my hair for like 10 minutes. Also, I honestly think this hairstyle is suitable for all season and all weather. Like, you know, I've done this hairstyle in the summer under hot tropical humid, and it does a good job for keeping my hair out of my face. And or during the winter time, you know, if I wear like a beanie hat over it, I feel like it's super cute as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for this hairstyle, you only need a sharp end comb, some elastic bands which I keep in my cute little box that looks like this. I don't know if you can see, but they're just like clear bands so that when you tie it up later on it's not too obvious. And I'm working with my 1-day-old hair just because I wash my hair every other day, and I have used my living proof dry shampoo to create some texture to the roots. So right now we're ready to start. So first things first, you want to separate all of your hair into 2 equal parts, and what I normally do is point it down my nose and then hold it up, then sort of do a line down the back, separating the hair into 2 parts, and then sectioning one side off so that I can work with the other side. I'm just going to use an elastic band to tie up. And then, okay, so what we want to do now is grab a strand that is about 1.5 inch thick, like this, and then section it into 3 parts, like this. And then for the left strand, put it underneath the middle strand, like this. And then for the right side, put it under the middle strand and then hold it together. So you've got your first braid already. And then for the left strand, now you want to add some hair to it to make it slightly thicker. And once you've grabbed some hair to the left strand, add it under the middle strand like how you did earlier. And same for the right strand, add some hair to the right strand and then put it under the middle strand. Sorry, I actually do have a mirror right in front, so if I sort of look ahead and not look at you, that's because I'm looking at the mirror. And keep doing the same, like, you know, keep adding sections to the outside strand, then put it under the middle strand. I think the key here is to make sure you put the outside strand under the middle strand and then continue to add sections into the hair. Okay, I'm going to turn around for you so that you can see better. Right, so now we want to add strand to the left side, hold it together and then put it under the middle strand like this. Repeat the same, like adding hair to the right side and then put it under the middle strand. Continue until there is no more hair to add to the strand. And sorry about my roots, which is a bit unsightly right now because I'm just trying to decide what I want to do with my hair color. I've highlighted my hair for many years, and right now I just want to give it a rest just because I feel like my hair is pretty damaged and pretty dry from it. So once you feel that you have grabbed all your hair into the strand, start braiding it all the way to the end. So this is like a regular braid, like start braiding it all the way to the end. And there we go. So that's our first strand. I'm just going to secure it with a elastic band, like so. But we're not finished yet, because what we want to do now is to loosen up the strand so that it looks bigger and it looks just slightly messy, and I feel like it looks more relaxed that way as well. Don't worry, it doesn't really have to be super neat. So you know, right now I'm just pulling the strand to make it loose all the way to the top, and then I'll repeat the same on the other side. It's super easy, right? I don't know how long that took me, but probably like maybe 5 minutes or so. And bearing in mind, I was like doing it slow to show you guys. Normally it takes me a little bit quicker. And I think that's it. Like, just pull it out, just make it loose. Honestly, this hairstyle is super easy. And there we go, that's our first strand done. Okay, repeat the same process on this other side. Grab a strand of about 1.5 inch thick, like just now, and then divide into 3 equal parts. And then for the left strand, put it under the middle strand, and for the right strand, put it under the middle strand, and then add section to the left strand like this, and put it under the middle strand. And repeat the same for the right side, add sections, and then put it under the middle strand. Okay, let's turn around. So keep adding hair to the braid until you get all the way to the bottom. That's the whole principle anyway. And then put it under the middle strand. So I think the key to remember is every time you add sections to the outside strand, you put it under the middle strand. So you do it for one side first, and then you do it for the next side. Add sections, and then put it under the middle strand. And then add sections, put it under the middle strand. Like easy peasy, right? Keep going until there is no more hair for you to add. And then that's when you just continue braiding until the end. Then you put an elastic band over it. Right, and there we go. Okay, just going to put an elastic band over to secure it, and then start pulling the hair out. See, it's super easy, and I feel like this hairstyle is fail proof. Some people might say it's you know, it could look slightly kiddish, but honestly for me, I don't think so. I just feel like it works for every single weather, and especially good on a windy day and on a super hot day, or even on a rainy day, because you know, like the rain can normally ruin your hairstyle, but for this hairstyle there's no chance the rain can ruin it. So I feel like, yeah, it's foolproof and it looks super cute, super adorable, not to mention super Instagram worthy. Agreed? Right, so that's us done. Ta-da! And that's the hairstyle. So if you've got fringe like me, you can sort of like tidy it up a little bit. But yeah, that's how I do this hairstyle. Super easy. And okay, before I end, I've actually just received my Revolve parcel. So, and I'm thinking of sharing it with you guys. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me grab the box and I'll open it with you guys right now. Right, okay, as promised, there is a parcel from Revolve. I actually can't remember what I've ordered because all I knew was I just wanted to give my wardrobe a bit of an update for autumn, because most of my stuff are from the summer. So, okay, let's open it together. Okay, it looks like I've got this burnt orange top. Honestly, I can't remember what it looks like anymore. Okay. Oh, it's short sleeve, like with puff shoulders. Oh, it's got shoulder pads on the side, and it looks like this. Okay, very appropriate for the autumn season. Then let's see what else we have got. Okay, I've got some pants. I don't know, I feel like I've been quite into wearing shorts and pants lately. I guess it's just a phase for me because I normally wear a lot of dresses and I just find it quite refreshing to not be wearing a dress. Okay, this is a pink pants and it looks like this. Okay, I hope it's not going to be long for me because I'm only a shorty. And then the last thing I got is a teddy coat. I haven't actually got a teddy coat in my wardrobe and I feel like a lot of them drowns me, so hopefully this one doesn't. Let's try it on. Oh, this is actually super cute, right? Oh, ooh, and it's so fuzzy. Okay, let me try on the other two pieces and we'll be back. And okay, so I have worn the pants and the top together. What do you guys think? They fit perfectly actually. And then I've teamed them with my Manolo Blahnik heels because the pink matches the pants. And then I've got this teddy coat as well.